Now we're going to turn his head to the side. We're going to touch up this. Good stretch on the face. And when you come down, what you want to do is you want to just touch the line with the razor to get a sharp line. Okay, and then we're going to turn him back towards me. We're going to do it in the other direction. We're going to come right around this side. Keep that skin stretched really good. Okay, so this is going to complete the shave portion. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to take a cool towel to close the pores, and what that does is it's going to close the pores. It's going to lay the beard back down. Because sometimes you might not think you got it that close, but once you put the cool towel on, get that right on the skin. Fold that towel over. I like to keep it really neat. I always like to keep the customer neat while you're doing any service. And then I never rub, I just like to blot. Okay, so towel back in your sink. Then we have this dry towel right here. And then we're going to take that shave gel, which also doubles as a post shave gel. I'm going to fold that towel over, and then we're going to put just a touch more on, just to soothe the skin afterwards. This doesn't have any oil in it, so this is the product that we want to put on after the shave. And then we're not gonna rub too much, and we're not going to go against the grain. So this is the direction it grows. We're going to leave it at that. We're going to blot again. And then to cool the skin off, you want to create a little bit of a breeze. You've seen a lot of old-time barbers do this. This is a nice little effect after the shave. Okay, and then that dries the gel too without having to rub it in the skin too much. Okay, so then we're going to very slowly lean the customer back up. Okay, and we'll take off the headrest. And then the last step is I like to make sure everything is neat on my counter. Everything back in its place. And we're going to just rebrush through the hair to make sure it's nice and neat before we let them go. Alright, so now we have a nice clean haircut with just lean it back so you can take a nice look at that line underneath. So we have a nice clean haircut with a super sharp beard trim, nice beard line up there. And then we'll spin them around so you can see how everything balances all the way around. Everything looks natural. So that completes our haircut and beard trim for today.